So you'll see the two red lights to the right here. And that means it's a red light for the main lines, CP westbound, which means this train crossing the Mission Bridge is probably headed eastbound, unless they come to a stop. So we're home to the West Coast Express yard. An amazing view of Mount Baker. And here we are, CN freight train crossing the Mission Bridge. So because it's like 180-degree turn plus another 20 degrees or 40 degrees, super slow. So I think it's 20 kilometers an hour or less. Coming across the bridge, we don't want to crash on the bridge.